friend back there. You know what up, guys? My name's Walter. I'm the Weld Professor. Wally's Welding World is kind of my Insta handle. Today I'm just, I'm showing you guys what I always do. I bead, I hot pass, I cap. There's no need to freaking use little rods. Just use a big rod. You learn how to leave the trash and dig it out. You don't grind the starts, you burn into them. The most you do is chip that slag off. Now I want you guys to pay attention to how I'm doing this. I'm rolling out with this big boy rod. It's you can see right here, it's an 8 to 10 pipe liner, arc 80. Considered pretty much a 3/16 rod or 5mm, however you want to look at it. Go ahead and still some fire. I'd like to show you guys how to do that right there. I have to, of course, get the dark lens, but I'm going to show you guys how to burn into your start without grinding it, because that's a true art right there. A lot of people always grind it because they're grinders, they're not welders. I'm a rig welder. I weld, that's what I do. I don't weld with 532s unless I'm welding 2 inch. If you're welding with 532s, it's going to take you a lot longer. You're going to have to really take your time to fill it up. Then you're going to have to do little circles and make it look all pretty. I don't know. This is how I do it. It takes me probably, to weld an 8 inch out, it don't take me long. To weld a 2 inch out, don't take me long. To weld, don't take me long. Whatever. Please, guys.